Okay, so my dear boys and girls, today again we have a speaking session in the form of interaction. Means you will be given a topic like yesterday, you were given the topic of science and you asked different questions regarding science, and also you answered the questions that were asked by others. Today again we are having an interaction session and in which you will be given the topics of science gadgets like mobile phones, like vehicles, like television. There are so many different things that are great gifts of science. So today I am giving you a topic that is mobile phone. So you have to ask your question regarding mobile phones on to yesterday's pattern, and I think this is not a difficult topic. You can ask a lot of questions regarding mobile phone, and you can also answer the questions because this is very common topic. So okay, we are starting our class, and I am calling the name of Harshit
Yes, sir.
to ask the questions, and he will also call the name of the persons who would answer the questions. Yes, come on, Harshit.
Yes, sir. So, as we know that today's our topic is mobile phone, and we will ask different types of question to one another. So my first question is this: that uh, is mobile a good is mobile good in education? And my this question uh, goes to Sushil Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. Sir, mobile is useful for all because in the because there because there are many types of feature in the mobile by which we can by which our life is easy, like in the mobile uh, camera. With the help of camera, we can capture a photo and we can see after some time, and students can take education on the mobile. So that's it.
Harshit, your
Uh,
reaction.
yes, sir. So, my other question is this: that is mobile phone useful? Is mobile phone useful in the field of communication? And my this question goes to Rakshit.
Yes, to with my view, I can say that mobile phone is useful in the field of communication because by mobile phone you can call anyone in a few minutes and can talk to one another by sitting at different places, and this will save your time, and you can talk with anyone at at sitting at any place, and by having a lot of distance, and so by this way you can save your time, and in a few minutes you can call to an answer. That's it.
Okay. Uh, so, sir, my next question is this: that can we say mobile phone the greatest invention of science? And my this question goes to Nisha Didi.
Yes, we can say that mobile phone is the greatest invention uh, of the science
Invention, invention.
invention of the science because mobile phone is a good thing for every people, and
Every
it
people nahi, for all.
for
Yeah,
people,
for all people. हाँ. People
and
is plural and every is singular. There is no
yeah,
combination. Yes.
all people, and all people has a mobile phone, and they can use of it to uh, many things, like to pay and purchase something, and call and talk to each other, and they also learn many things by the mobile phone, and they can also also do different things uh, from the mobile phone. It is very useful in our daily life, and it is also useful education and jobs and others communications. Uh, so we can say that mobile phone is very useful.
Take care at the time of using preposition, Nisha. Yes, come on, Harshit.
Yes, sir. So my next question is this: that is mobile phone harmful? And my this question goes to Komal Didi.
Yes, sir. We all know that mobile phone is also harmful for us because if students and also other people watch mobile phone at long time, they
At long time,
become
for long time.
for long time they become eyesight and they have
They
headache.
become outside कैसे हो जाएगा? Their outside become weak.
Their eyesight become weak and they have headache and they have many diseases uh,
Become क्यों लगा रहे हो? Have आ गया
become
ना?
they has they have many diseases from watching mobile phone for long time.
From watching नहीं, by watching. Yes, Harshit.
Uh, yes, sir. So my next question is this: that can we use mobile phone to learn something? And my this question goes to Rohit.
Yes, sir. We can. Yes, sir. We can use mobile app to learn something because in mobiles there are many apps like Dinik Bhaskar app and many other apps by which we can learn and get the knowledge of our surrounding. And in my way, I think that by mobile we can also learn what is happening in our world. That's it.
Uh, okay, sir. So my next question is this: that uh, is is mobile phone uh, is mobile phone a useful gadget for housewives? And my this question goes to Harsh.
Yes, sir. In my views, mobile phone is a very good thing for housewives because by the help of mobile they can make many dishes and they can buy products that are used in cooking or that are used in house. That's it, sir.
Okay.
Uh, uh, my next question is this: that uh, for how long we can use our mobile phone? And my this question goes to Lucky Bhaiya.
सर मैंने क्वेश्चन नहीं सुना.
Harshit, repeat
Uh,
the question.
yes, yes, sir. For how long time we can use mobile phone in a day?
We can की जगह we should आना चाहिए.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
In our daily life we can use mobile phone in different ways. We can we can we can YouTube in we can
His
watch.
question is, Lucky, that how long should we use mobile phone in a day?
In a day we should mobile watch mobile phone in a day like
First, I will
add
not.
to our.
ऐड क्यों लगा रहे हो, लाइक क्यों लगा रहे हो? वी शुड यूज मोबाइल फोन फॉर 2 hours. बात खत्म. उतना ज्यादा उसको क्यों उसको कर रहे हो? यस, ओके. नाउ रक्षित.
Yes, sir. And so, sir, my first question is what makes a mobile phone the biggest invention of science? And my this question goes to Rohit.
Yes, sir. The thing of communication in mobile makes the mobile greatest in my view, because by communication to people in the world, we can to the people in the world, we can say that the mobile is the greatest thing. That's it.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा आंसर दिया है. वेरी गुड. यस, कम ऑन रक्षित.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My next question is how can you use a mobile phone to get knowledge? So, sir, my this question goes to Nisha Didi.
We can use the mobile phone to getting the knowledge of anything, because by the using of the mobile phone we can learn many useful things like GK and any other types of questions of different examination. We can also increase our knowledge of other fields like cooking, dancing, singing, sports, and we can also get information about what happened in our world and what is going in our society, country. So this type knowledge we can get from the by the using of mobile. That's it, sir.
Yes, sir.
बहुत अच्छा
Sir, my
आंसर.
next
हम्म.
yes, sir. Sir, my next question is mobile a means of entertainment? Sir, my this question goes to Komal Devi.
Yes, sir. Mobile phone have many type of entertainments. Like we can watch many different things so in the mobile phone, like motivational videos and dramas and movies, poems also.
शाबाश.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My next question is can you tell me the major two disadvantages of mobile? Sir, my this question goes to Harshit.
Yes, sir. The first disadvantage is this, that our eyesights may get weak, and the second disadvantage is this, that most of the children use it for a long time.
Yes, sir.
हम्म.
Yes, sir.
हम्म.
Sir, my next question. Yes, sir. My next question is should mobile is very important in today's world, and can we live without mobile in today's world? Sir, my this question goes to Harsh.
Sir, can you please repeat the question?
So where were you? Why didn't you listen this question? Rakshit, repeat the question.
Yes, sir. Is mobile very important in today's world, and can we live without mobile in today's world? Sir, my this question goes to Harsh.
Yes, sir. Mobile phone is a very useful thing, and we cannot live without it in the world, because it do, it does our work very quickly by the help of its internet and its AI. So, in my view, I think that we cannot live without mobile in today's life. That's it.
Yes, sir. Sir, my next question is how can you use a mobile to save your time? Sir, my this question goes to Sushil Bhaiya.
We can save our time with the help of mobile, because if we have mobile, so we can send message in very short time.
Very good.
And if we have any problem, so we can contact to police and they can solve our problem. uh, and And as you know that we are a worker person and we don't have time.
Working
So
persons. Worker person is working persons. Huh?
working persons and we don't have time to go to market, so we can purchase all things on with the help of mobile. That's it, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, my next question is how can you use a mobile for your studies? Sir, my this question goes to Lucky Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. We all know that with the help of mobile phone, watch watch education videos and motivational videos, and we can join live classes,
शाबाश
etc.
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा आज अच्छा बोल रहा है. हाँ.
Yes, sir. Sir, my next question is yes, sir. Sir, mobile is important for a student or harmful for a student? Sir, my this question goes to Harshit.
Uh, yes, yes. I think that it is harmful and useful also, because it is harmful in the way that students sometimes students use it more than they need, and they use in education, but as you can see, sometimes they distract themselves from taking education. So my view is this on this question.
Okay, Harshit. Yes.
Okay, your questions are complete, Rakshit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. As we know that today sir has given us a topic about mobile, and I am asking the questions from the students in the class. My first question is how mobile is useful in the field of education, and my this question goes to Rakshit Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. Sir, in the field of education, you can use a mobile in many types. Like you
In
can,
many
if you are
ways.
okay, sir, in many ways. Like you can, if you are not if you are not able to solve any question, you can type it on the Google or any website and can get the answer quickly. That saves your time also.
Very good.
And
Nice speaking. Shabash beta.
yes, sir. And you can also take online classes by sitting at home and so that's it.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. And then my next question is when you are tired and when you have done a lot of hard work, then you should watch a mobile or not. And this my question goes to Harshit Bhaiya.
At the time of using watch, you should use.
Yes, sir.
Watch is not proper word.
Okay,
You
sir.
should use or run. Yes.
Okay.
Uh,
Um,
yes, at the time when we have done a lot of hard work and we are too much tired, then at the time we should not use mobile phone. We should keep it aside, and we must take some rest. That's it.
yes, sir. My next question is how mobile is harmful. Mobile is harmful for our eyes. My this question goes to Sushil Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. Mobile is harmful for our eyes because our when we use mobile for long time, uh, then our eyes get weak. So in my views, mobile is harmful for our eyes. That's it, sir.
Yes, sir. My next question is if mobiles are not there in the world, then what would be the condition of the world? And my this question goes to Nisha Didi.
Yes, sir. If there is no mobile, we can't do anything because of the mobile. We save our time to send message, call, and getting information, and it is very useful in our life, in our daily life, and without it we can't imagination our life because mobile phone is a great invention of the science, and without it we can't do anything like to call, to send messages, and getting information in a proper way and easily we can't get. So I think that mobile phone is very important in our daily life, and we can't imagination of our life without phone, mobile phone.
We
That's
can't imagine. Nice question, nice answer. बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है, शाबाश. Yes,
Yes,
Rohit.
sir. My next question is that if mobile if there is a if there is not shopping, as nowadays there are many apps like Amazon. If these apps were not there, then how would the people can get the uh, items from the market without going out? And my this question goes to Lucky Bhaiya.
These we all know that these apps are good, but some ways b- some ways by the apps, some people by the ways with the help of apps, some people get scammed,
Hmm.
and with the help of apps they lost their money. That's it.
Yes, sir. My next question is which is more important, which is the most important feature in mobile by your side? And my this question goes to Komal Devi.
Yes, sir. In my views, in the mobile phone, there is a YouTube is most important feature in the mobile phone, because with the help of YouTube we can see many types of videos, by educational videos, motivational videos, cooking videos, business videos, etc.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
My next question is if there is if playing games in mobile is harmful or not? And my this one goes to Harsh. Yes, sir. Playing mobile games in phone is not harmful, but it is harmful when we play games for a lot of time, like playing games regularly for 2 or 3 hours,
Hmm.
and we are not taking break. That's it, sir.
I think you're right. Round is complete. Rohit,
Yes, sir.
now it is the turn of Harsh.
Yes, sir. My question is, what are four major useful apps in a mobile? So my this question goes to Harshit Bhaiya.
Yes, according to me, the four major uh, things in mobile are first is YouTube, and second is Google, and third is camera, and um, fourth is a phone. Means so it's a calling.
Hmm.
That's it,
Yes,
sir.
sir. My next question is, how calculator is making businessman's life easy? And my this question goes to Rakshit Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. Sir, calculator is a good feature of mobile, because you can because if there are big numbers to calculate, you can use calculator, and calculator is a invention of AI, by which the calculator calculates the big numbers into a few seconds, so that the time is also saved and you can get your answer quickly. So
Very
that's it.
nice. Speaking of all the points. Yes, come on, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Yes, my next question is how mobile is harmful for students, those who are those who are in those who are clearing very tough exams. Sir, my this question goes to Nisha Didi.
Yes. We can say that sometimes mobile phone is harmful for students because when they are studying and trying to give take the different examination which are very difficult, and when they use the mobile phone very long time, they can't their study proper way, and they can't get information and education about their examinations, and because of it they can't get a good condition and situation in their examination, because they use mobile phone in a long time, so they can't get their aim. So I can say that mobile phone is bad for students.
Yes, sir. My next question is that uh, mobile phone is used in houses or not? Sir, my this question goes to Rohit Bhaiya. Yes, sir. As you know, in houses there are a lot of works. Like if our mother is cooking something and she does not know much about the recipe or the dish, then she can use mobile and have the knowledge of the dish or the dish which she is making. And in my view, I think that in houses the mobile phone is used mostly to clear the doubts in our daily life. Yes, sir. My next question is mobile phone making our life easy by giving us apps like Amazon, Flipkart, etc.? So my this question goes to Sushil Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. With the help of Amazon and Flipkart and other apps, we can save our valuable time.
Shabash.
Uh, so
Hmm.
that's it.
Okay.
Is on view of.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. My next question is mobile more useful than a computer or not? So my this question goes to Lucky Bhaiya.
Mobile phone is useful, but computer is more useful for the students
Shabash. बहुत बढ़िया.
because
Hmm.
because with the help of computer we can uh, we can watch live classes and
We can watch, we can have, we can take.
we can take live classes on the computer and we can we can watch many types of programs and other things on the computer. That's it, sir.
Yes, sir. So my next question is क्या था? Yeah, yes, sir. Is playing games should be limited for the student those who have mobile? Yes, sir. My
Is
this
or
question
should,
goes.
you are using both is and should playing
Sorry, sir.
games. हाँ, थोड़ा सा ध्यान से.
So my this question goes to Komal Didi.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. We all know that mobile phone is also useful and harmful because there are many types of apps, but there are many apps of games, and in the present time, most of the students and children playing game on the mobile phones, but is harmful because if they if they watch mobile phone for a long time, they become many diseases.
They
That's it,
become
sir.
कैसे हो जाएगा? They may get many diseases. Just come on, Harsh.
Sir, my turn is over.
Okay. Now this is the turn of Komal.
Yes, sir. My first question is that is a calculator is harmful and why? That question goes to Harshit Bhaiya.
वर्ड फ्रेमिंग ठीक करो थोड़ी, सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग तुम्हारी. हाँ.
Sorry, sir. Didi, can you repeat it?
Yes, sir. Calculator is harmful for solving the math and why?
क्या कह रही है तू? तेरा क्वेश्चन क्लियर नहीं होता है. She wants to ask that is calculator useful? यही कह रही है ना?
Sir, harmful for solving the math.
हाँ, in solving the problems.
Uh, no, sir. I think that calculator is not harmful for calculating the things, because sometimes there are very big calculations which can't be done quickly by a human. So that's sir.
Yes, sir. My second question is how we can save our memories in the mobile phone. That question goes to Nisha Didi.
Yes. Sometimes we click the photos and make the videos, and we can save it in our gallery in our mobile in the mobile phone, and it is very useful because when we don't when we don't idea about anything, we can't we can
तो don't have any idea.
we don't have any idea about anything. We can see and watch the videos and can tell about this thing. So we can say that we can capture our pics and videos in the mobile phone, and it is very useful.
Yes, sir. My next question is how we can use Play Store. That question goes to Lucky.
Yes, sir. We all know that with the help of Play Store, we can download many apps like gaming apps, educational apps, etc.
Yes, sir. My next question is in the mobile phone there are many apps, but name the three apps of it is harmful. That question goes to Sushil Bhaiya.
Name the 3 harmful apps. Word sentence framing ठीक करो थोड़ा सा word order अपना. Yeah, Sushil.
First is in my views, first app is Instagram, second is Facebook, and third is Free Fire.
Yes, sir. In the mobile phones, playing games are useful or not? That question goes to Harsh Bhaiya.
Sir, playing games in mobile is useful when we play creative games like Minecraft, etc. That helps us to imagine uh, big things like how to make a thing by by using small materials or other things. That's all.
How we can use alarm clock in the mobile phone? That question goes to Rakshit Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. You can use a mobile phone to get up early in the morning by using the alarm app, and in the alarm app you can set alarm
An
at the
alarm.
time at alarm the
An
time.
alarm, beta, an alarm.
Okay, sir, an alarm, and by the at the time you wants to get up, and then it will ring, and then the mobile will ring at the perfect and same time that you set it at the night or any time. Sir, that's it.
Yes, sir. My next question is how we can use Google. That question goes to Rohit Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. We can use Google by using that by searching any doubt which is coming in our mind. Like if we want to know about AI or that these types of things, then we can search it out on Google, and Google helps us a lot in finding the answer of our doubts. That's it.
Very good. Nice flow. Yes. Have you completed your round,
Yes, sir.
Komal? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sushil.
My first question is that what is use of WhatsApp? And this question goes to Harshit Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. The use of WhatsApp is very big. You can use WhatsApp in many types of things. First, you can share your feelings with others by typing, and you can video call at WhatsApp, by which you can talk to the person who are far from you, whom you can't meet immediately. And sometimes you want to show some pictures, like like the pictures which are related to nature, to the tourism places, and then you can set status. That's it.
Okay, Bhaiya. Nice answer. And my next question is that is mobile useful for elders or not? And this question goes to Lucky Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. Mobile is useful elders because
Four
with
elders.
the help,
Mobile is useful. Four elders, beta.
yes, sir.
Ah.
Mobile is useful for elders because with the help of elders watch, sorry, sir, with the mobile phone, elders watch many videos like drama, cultural program, etc. That's it, sir.
Okay, Bhaiya. Nice answer. And my next question is that suppose you are going to a new city and you don't know right way. So how mobile would help you?
Very good.
And this question goes to Harsh Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. Suppose we have changed the city and we have gone to a city for about which we don't know anything. Then we can use map that helps us to find the things, find the places that are there in that city or district.
Very
That's it,
good.
sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. Shabash. Nice interaction of all the students. Yes, come on.
Nice answer. And my next question is that as we know that there are many apps in the mobile, but there is also harmful apps. Mm, tell me four apps which are bad and harmful. And this question goes to Nisha Didi.
Sorry, but I don't have answer of this question.
Why?
Sir, I don't know
Okay.
which app.
Call the name of other student.
Uh, my next question
No,
is
no
that
next question. Call the name of other student
yes, sir.
to get the answer
And
of this question that
okay, sir.
Nisha was not able to give.
And this question goes to Rakshit Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. The major, as per my view, the major four apps that are very harmful for any person are Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and the gaming apps, the games. Yes.
Okay, Bhaiya. Nice answer. And my next question is that is mobile useful or not for students? And this question goes to Komal Didi.
Yes, sir. For students, mobile phone is very useful because if students don't go to school daily, they can watch teaching videos, and they can solve their problems with the help of mobile phone.
Shabash.
Okay, Didi, nice answer. Uh, and my next question is that people say that mobile should be not given to the children. So what is reason? Tell me one example. And this question goes to Harsh Bhaiya.
Sir, my turn has come.
सर इसके भाई का नाम है
Rohit.
रोहित
Yes, sir. By my view, I think that the parents should not give the mobile to the small child, because if the small child has sir आदत को क्या बोलते हैं?
Habit.
If by chance he or she has an habit of watching mobile, then it is difficult for the parents to remove the habit of watching mobiles from the children. So in my view, I think that the parents should not give mobile to the small children. That's it.
Okay, भैया, nice answer. So that's it.
Okay. So, yes, come on, Lucky.
Yes, sir. My first question is what is the role of internet in the mobile phone? My first question goes to Harshit Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. The role of internet in mobile phone is this, that by internet you can use most of the apps, like you can do video call with the help of internet, and you can interact with each other with the help of internet, and you can take online classes also with the help of internet. That's it.
Yes. My next question is what is the role of camera in the mobile phone? My next question is my next question goes to Rakshit Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. The role of camera in a mobile phone is very important, because if you want to save any memories of you, you can click the photos and by the camera and can save it in the gallery. And if you want to send anything which is in the front of you to anyone, you can click the photo and send it by the help of WhatsApp. And by this way, camera is very important. So that's it.
Very good. Nice flow.
How we can say that YouTube and Google is very important. My next question goes to Nisha Didi.
Nisha.
Yes. We can get the information about anything via the Google and YouTube. We can also watch many types of videos like sports, dancing, singing, and also online classes. Also different types of classes of our subject. We can get knowledge about anything, and we can also do our study from the YouTube and Google. And sometimes we don't have information about anything. We can get from it Google. So we can say that YouTube and Google are very important and useful app in the mobile phone.
Yes, sir. My next question is how mobile phone is useful to oldest people. My next question is Komal Didi.
Yes, sir. We all know that all people use mobile phone, but old people also use it with the with because old people can watch many types of bhajans and many types of videos and different things in it. That's it.
Yes, sir. My next question is what is the role of Play Store in the mobile phone? My next question goes to Harsh Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. The role of Play Store in mobile is very important, because if we have purchased a mobile and if we have purchased a mobile, then we have to install many apps that are useful in our mobile, that like WhatsApp,
WhatsApp, and the person who do investing, they need a money controller, etc. And we can install these things, these apps with the help of Play Store only. That's it.
Yes, sir. My next question is how can we save our time with the help of mobile phone? My next question goes to Rohit Bhaiya.
My this question.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir. By my side, I think that while listening music, by listening music and motivational videos, we can have a good use of mobile, and we can pass our time by getting some good knowledge. That's it.
Yes, sir. My turn is complete.
Okay, very good. Nisha.
Yes, sir. My first question is that how we can say that mobile phone is useful for girls and women. This question is going to Komal.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, Nisha Didi, please repeat.
Uh, how we can say that mobile phone is useful for women and girls.
Yes, we all know that mobile phone is also useful for all people, but in the present time, women and girls, in for women's women and girls are used mobile phone in the different ways, like they can save our lives, and they have many actions with the help of mobile phones. That's it, sir.
Okay. Which way is mobile phone bad to people? This question is going to Lucky Bhaiya.
Name the other student because I think they have left the meeting. Yes,
Sushil Bhaiya.
Sushil.
Deep, please repeat the question.
Okay,
I
now
couldn't.
now listen. Lucky has come. Yes, come on, Lucky. Answer the question.
सर नेटवर्क इशू हो गया था.
Okay, repeat the question, Nisha.
Which way is mobile phone bad for people?
Yes, sir. We all know that mobile phone is harmful and useful, but with the mobile phone is harmful. With the help of mobile phone, uh, thieves are looted. Their money, and they cheat people. That's it, sir.
Thieves are looted कैसे हो जाएगा? पैसे चोरों को थोड़ी लूटा जाता है. Thieves loot people. Okay, चलो next. Nisha.
Yes, sir. At the time of sadness, should we use mobile phone? This question is going to Rakshit.
I think, sir, no, we cannot. We should not use mobile at the time of sadness. Yes, sir. That's.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. How we can say that mobile phone is useful for our health? This question is going to Harshya.
Yes, sir. In my view, I think that mobile phone is not useful for our health. So because it sir खराब करना क्या बोलेंगे?
Spoils.
It spoils our health because by its radiation our eyes get affected. In this way, it does not help our health.
Hmm.
That's it, sir.
Hmm.
Okay, but my question is not. Okay. Without going to school, we can get good education by the mobile, by the using of mobile phone. This question is going to Harshit Bhaiya.
Yes, we cannot use mobile phone to get a better education, because when you take classes, at the time you can take the classes very focusful, and you may do better in those classes. But nowadays online classes are progressing also. So in my view, this is my, so that's it.
Okay. Is mobile phone useful for a simple person in a daily life? Uh, how we can say? This question is going to Rohit Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. As you all know that simple people, as you all know that people watch mobile for their daily needs. As they have to call to their relatives, they use mobile. As they have to do something important like for the payments to persons, they use mobile. In my way, I think that the mobile is a good thing for the people who are normal, because normal people has the more use of mobile. That's it, sir.
Hmm.
Okay. How we can say that mobile is a good thing? This question is going to Sushil Bhaiya.
Yes, Devi. Mobile is a good thing because with the help of mobile we can make easy our life.
We can make
Like
our life easy.
yes, we can make our life easy.
Hmm.
Like if we have mobile, so we can send message in very short time, and we can inform to our parents, and if we have mobile, we can save our memories, and if we are in market and we don't have cash, so with the help of phone pay we can pay. That's it, sir.
Okay, sir, I think that my turn is
Okay, I think
complete.
all have taken their turn. There is no one to ask the questions, and I am very happy at your performance. Nice performance, very good performance. Keep it up. Shabash.